In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill any shape in Canva with Image Custom Shape Faveframe method. If you've ever wanted your photo to live inside a perfect circle, a letter, or a decorative shape, this method is the cleanest and fastest way to do it. We'll keep it simple and make sure everything looks crisp and professional. Start by opening your design and heading to the Elements tab on the left. This is where Canva keeps all the building blocks you'll use in your layouts. Scroll down until you see the section called Frames. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of Elements and type Frames. Frames are special placeholders that automatically crop an image to a shape, so you don't have to wrestle with complicated masking or manual cropping. Once you are in Frames, choose a shape you like. This could be a classic circle or rectangle, a geometric shape, or even a single letter if you are going for that bold monogram look. Click the frame to add it to your canvas. You can resize it by dragging the corners and position it where you want your photo to appear. Think about composition here. Leave space around the frame if you plan to add text or other elements later. Now it's time to add your image. Go to the Uploads tab if you are using your own photo, or open Photos to browse Canva's library. Drag the image toward the frame and hover over it until you see it snap into place. You'll know it worked when the photo inherits the shape and fills it perfectly. If it doesn't snap, try dragging directly over the center of the frame and release. To refine the look, double-click on the image inside the frame. This opens the Crop and Position view. Here, click and drag the photo to move it within the shape, and use the zoom slider to punch in or out for a better composition. Aim to keep key subjects centered or aligned with your design's focal points. When everything looks right, click Done. If you need to, you can still scale or move the frame on the canvas, and the image will remain neatly masked to that shape. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.